Ezra speaking. Oh, adventures with his family he's seeking. Reporting weather, telling stories wherever he goes. It's the Ezra Speaking Show. Hello everybody, thank you for joining us on today's Ezra Speaking video. We're going to get into some weather, but first, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Cindy Metzger. I'm on the 4-H Horse and Pony Board. I coach 4-H Horse Bowl. This is my 34th year. I'm a 4-H alumni, as you can see, and I love the 4-H fair.
34 years, that's a long time.
Actually, I've been involved in 4-H since I was 10 years old.
Wow, that is so long. So first, you started doing 4-H as a kid.
Yes.
But now you're going into being one of the managers, like...
Just a volunteer.
Yeah, a volunteer for 4-H.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're going to get into our weather map. And look, whoa, we got some pretty good weather. Well, let's look at our forecast. Cindy, would you be able to do Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday?
Okay, today it's going to be a high of 84, low of 71. 78 on Monday, low of 64, and 81 on Tuesday, and 60 low.
Thank you for those days. Now let's look at Wednesday and Thursday. We got some clouds, that's okay. Maybe a little slight of a chance of rain. 79 for the high, and 67 for the low. This is giving you a nice cool down for all that hot weather, like 100 and stuff like that. Like in Texas, it's like 100.
I know, it'd be miserable.
Yes, and then on Thursday we have a high of 89 and a low of 68. Both clouds, slight chance of rain, but what do we got looking here? We got a fair schedule. How long is the fair?
From the July 21st to the 29th.
2023, we're taking a look at the fairground schedule. And on Monday, we got a 4-H dairy cattle show at the Coliseum. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., ooh, 4-H horse and pony.
Yes, we have another show.
Yes, and so, they're also ranch riding judging, so they're judging that day.
Yes. And we also have contesting that night too.
Oh, I see, yes. 7 p.m. live art drawing contest, special events tent. And then, ooh, at 6:30 we got an antique tractor parade.
Cool.
I want to go there. I want to go to the fairgrounds.
Okay.
I want to go to the fair, see that tractor parade.
That's cool.
And then we also got Tuesday, family bar game day. All rides take one ticket. Ooh, so that's when like the fair, like the rides open and everything.
The carnival, Lures carnival.
The carnival,
rides.
yeah. Like, ooh, homemakers, flower and vegetable judging.
Oh,
that sounds nice.
Sounds good.
And whose horse is this?
That is Snowflake, my first pony. That was when I was 2 years old. So I got my first pony when I was 2.
Oh, that looks so cute. And then your doll.
Yes, my little baby doll.
And then this is you. So you're 2.
I'm 2 years old. That was a Christmas card.
Well, that's so great. Now we got a quiz for you.
Uh-oh.
It might be hard, it might not. Okay. So what is this one?
Those are palominos, and they're probably a quarter horse.
Yes, you are correct. Do they have, since it's a quarter horse, do they have half horses and full horses?
No. A quarter horse means it runs the fastest quarter mile of any horse ever, including the thoroughbreds.
Wow.
They have quarter horse races. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait, no. No, I don't.
Yeah, there are quarter horse races.
Wow. Alrighty, the next one, what do you think this is?
That's an Arabian.
You're correct. Again, 2 points. And then this one right here.
That's an Appaloosa.
Yes.
If I could not have a quarter horse, I'd have a beautiful app.
Okay. Now, what's this next one? It's hairy.
Oh, I know that. It could be a Morgan.
Yes. 4 points. I can't believe, oh no, 5 points. I can't believe you've gotten every single one correct. This is number 6.
That's a little Palomita. That's a little Shetland pony, isn't it?
Yep, pony. And then this last one we have.
Those are big draft horses.
Draft horses. You are correct. I'd give you A.
Well, thank you, Ezra.
A. Now, I have a special gift for you.
Well,
since for being on my show.
Well, thank you.
You get your very own weather journal.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Ezra. Look at this. Oh, I'm excited. That's awesome.
Do you have meetings at your fairgrounds?
Yes, we do.
Well, you could use that to take notes.
I will. Oh, I will do that.
And what it says inside is, thank you so much for supporting Ezra Speaking. Weather journal entries should include the date, list the wind direction with the never eat soggy waffles on the back. It also wants to know the temperature once in the morning and the temperature once at night. Also the weather, so it can be clear, cloudy, rainy, snowy, and other observations for that day. And also consider drawing a picture in a little, you can make like a little box down every day and just draw a picture of what you see that day.
Okay.
And also, if you scan this, I'm going to hold this up, and you can go to my website and scan this barcode, and then you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. So that's how you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos.
Well, thank you so much, Ezra.
You're welcome.
And I look forward to seeing you at the fair.
Yes.
I love my 4-H.
Your 4-H friends and horses.
And do you know who I met when we were both out of 4-H?
Who?
My husband, Brian Metzger. He was 4-H youth educator from 1979 until 2002.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, thank you for being here today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you everybody for joining us today on this Ezra Speaking video, and where we got to learn more about 4-H from Cindy Metzger. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you again.
Please like, share, and subscribe this video, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you everybody for being here. Bye.
Bye. 4-H teaches you life skills that you use throughout your life. I have friends on Facebook that I met when I was 10 years old.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
And you can take any number of projects, from horses to photography to pocket pets,
Yes.
to baking. You don't have to live on a farm. You can take all kinds of stuff.
Yes.